Hi guys, welcome back, and in this video we'll talk about how you can make thumbnail like this. And this is absolutely for free, 100% free. You don't need to pay any kind of money to make a professional thumbnail like this one. So just keep watching the video and also keep watching the video, okay? And make sure to tap on that subscribe button so you don't miss the new videos on our YouTube channel. And it's free. That subscribe button is free. You don't need to pay money to tap on it. Just you need to scroll down and tap on the subscribe button and turn on that bell icon, because if you turn on the bell icon, then you will not miss any new videos on our YouTube channel. So keep watching, and we are going to see how you can make a thumbnail like this one. So now let's begin. So guys, first you need to open up your browser, and you can use any kind of browser you have, but in this case I'm going to use this Chrome browser. And after that, just search canva.com. If you don't know what is Canva, then Canva is a very fantastic and most popular video I'm in photo editing, thumbnail making software, and you can also make videos and animation with Canva. But in this case we are going to make a professional thumbnail with Canva. So you can do both things. Like if you want to make some animation videos, then you can also use canva.com. If you want to edit your photos, thumbnail, then Canva is best software for you. And you can also follow this process in your phone. Just download the Canva app from Play Store or App Store on iOS. If you are using Android, then you can download the Canva from Play Store. If you are on iOS, then go to App Store and download the Canva app. So tap my link to download the app right now on Android or iOS. And if you want to make thumbnail with your computer, then just go to canva.com. and remember, you can do this process with your phone. You don't need a laptop or computer. Just download the Canva app and follow this process. So just go to canva.com. The spelling is canva.com, canva.com. After this, just search over here YouTube thumbnail, YouTube thumb, THUMBNAIL, YouTube thumbnail. Just search this and just wait. And after this, it will show you bunch of templates that you can choose and make your thumbnail. I mean, some of them are paid, like this one Pro. This is paid, but many templates are free. Like this is free, 100% free. These all are free, but this one, this, and these are paid. I mean, they are not much paid templates. They are free templates available too much. Like you can see there are more free templates. So you can go with free one. I don't recommend you to buy the paid template and spend your money on Canva. I don't recommend you to spend your money. Just go and choose the free template and start making thumbnail. But right now I'm gonna choose blank template. So just tap on this button, this plus button, and then it will take you to this blank page. So in this page we are going to make our thumbnail. So after this, just tap on templates and it will show you this thing. So we are going to choose this template, and now you can see that we have selected this template. So you can also change the photo and text. So to change the photo, just tap on the picture, and I'm gonna just delete it and delete image, and I'm going to also delete this photo. Just tap on it and it's gone. And now to add your own photo, you can tap on upload button and you can upload your photo from here. But I have already uploaded my photo on Canva. So this is my photo. I'm gonna choose this one, and then here I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger and put this put the photo on this side like this. Now done. The photo is added. Let's make it a little bit bigger. The photo is added. Very good. Okay, the photo is added, and after that we are going to change the text. I'm going to change the text. Let's say make thumbnail. Let's say we are going to write make money, make make money, money money online in 2022. And I'm gonna make the text a little bit bigger like this, and then let's make it a little bit smaller, and now it is looking nice. Okay, and then I'm gonna change the color. So I just only want to change the color of this word make. So I'm gonna select this word and then just tap on this button, and I'm gonna choose the white color, and done. You can see now the color is white now. And then I'm gonna again select this word in, and again make this white, and then I'm going to again choose this 2022 and make this white. And here we have our professional thumbnail for free. Let's make the text a little bit more bigger so it will look more fantastic. And here I'm gonna just tap on the right button on the text and tap on send backward. So you can see the text is behind the picture. If you tap on this send backward, then it will go behind the picture. If you tap on bring forward, then you can see the text is on the picture, but it is not very good. It is not looking that much professional. So here I'm going to tap on send backward, and now I'm going to put the photo over here, and then it's look very fantastic. It is looking very fantastic. And now to change this text, just tap on the text and select it and type your own text. So I'm gonna type Mr. MarkUp at Mr. MarkUp and make this a little bit bigger, and then again select it, and I'm gonna put this over here. Okay, now done. Our thumbnail is ready. So you can download this thumbnail by tapping on this button. Just tap on this button and then just tap on download, and here choose PNG. I highly recommend you choose PNG for better quality. If you choose the JPG or PDF or another format, then it will not look more fantastic. I mean, if you choose PNG, then it will look more professional. So if you want high quality, then choose PNG. You can see suggested. So just tap on this button. After tapping on PNG, choose PNG, and then tap on this download button to download your thumbnail, and here it will show you this thing. Now it is downloaded, so you can tap on this photo and use your thumbnail. So that's it for this video. First, let me show you the thumbnail. This is our thumbnail. Okay, you can see it's very fantastic. So that's it. So guys, I hope that you have understood the full process to make professional thumbnail like this one. And many of you asked me that how to make thumbnails. So this video is for you guys. So that's why I just created this video, and I hope that you have understood the full method and process to make thumbnail like this one. And do you know that to get views on your YouTube channel, you need to make a professional thumbnail. The main thing is thumbnail. If you make a professional thumbnail, then your audience will tap on your video, and you need to make thumbnail like a pro. So I hope this video will help you a lot. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, and don't forget to make a professional thumbnail for your next video. So I hope that, and that's it. If you still have any kind of problem or any kind of question, then you can just ask me in the comment. I will absolutely try my best to solve that problem, or to answer your question for free. It's free. And that's it. See you soon. Peace.